Welcome all to Algo Harmonics. It's been a month since our first video was launched where I have given introduction on how our Algo Harmonic works, where most of the people like the video and they have given very good comments. If you have not watched it, then please do watch to understand how Algo Harmonic works. Every day I am getting a lot of message asking me to show the setup or a kind of a small demo where they get to know how the Algo looks or how it works. So here I come up for the second video where I will show my small dummy setup for all you guys. Let me show you how my Algo works. So we will be doing 3 simple steps every day which hardly takes 3 to 5 minutes. Once we run all these 3 steps, we never see our screen or our laptop what is happening. So let me come to the first step. There will be a server.batch file which we will open it by doing a double click. So what is this server.batch file? See, this is a batch file. If you don't run, you will not be getting any Telegram alert. So what do you mean by Telegram alert? Suppose you have a personalized list of 10 stocks where our Algo Harmonics will be scanning for the pattern. Once you get a harmonic pattern, it will automatically send an alert to your personal Telegram ID. If this batch file has not run, then you will not get any Telegram alert. If you won't get, that means you won't be trading the call which is generated by Algo. So in short, I can say whatever you do is waste until you get a Telegram alert, cause we will not be sitting in front of the screen and we will be not watching it. So if you don't run this, then the whole setup is a waste for that particular day. So let's come to step number 2. Step number 2 is a software called AmiBroker software, where we have written our code. See, this is how our AmiBroker looks. See, this pattern is called an harmonic pattern, where it will be scanning every second of a particular stock to find an harmonic pattern. So it takes a lot of time to generate a call. It is not that if you add 10 stocks in your list and you expect 10 calls. Out of 10 stocks, it will generate only 1 call in a day or maybe not. So this is why this is a very powerful strategy. It does not generate any false signal or does not send any false alert. So let me show you my watch list and how are the things happening here. See, you can see a drop down over here where you can see the watch list. This many stocks are my watch list stocks. Every day this many stocks along with this particular time frame will be scanned for harmonic pattern to generate a call. So currently it is having around 30 stocks which I am running in my watch list. As this is my higher end laptop, this 30 stock watch list is running okay. If it is some old PC or your configuration is less, then you may run only around 8 to 10. Okay. See, now in my watch list you can see the first one is Siemens 20 minutes. So now what is happening in Siemens 20 minutes? Here our Algo will try to find harmonic pattern for Siemens only on 20 minutes candle. You can say a time frame. Whenever it is finding a particular harmonic pattern only on 20 minutes, that took only in Siemens stocks, then only it will send you an automatic alert which we have discussed in our step 1. So like that, you can see Bajaj Auto, Star, Bharat Forge, Volpath. This many are there, different watch list. But you can see the time frame. Some may run on 20, some may run on 30, some may run on 45. What is this? See, this is a time frame where that particular stocks give very good result. It's not that it may not work on 15 minutes or 10 minutes. It may work. It may also be working. But on 20 minutes, out of 10 call, I can say out of 10 call, 8 to 9 call will be 90% of accuracy. Means it will work at any cost. So that is why we always choose a best time frame. So you can see now here BPCL 45. That means BPCL is giving very good result only in 45 time frame. So now everyone will be having a question, how we will select which time frame it is working. So for that we do back test. By doing back test only we will be getting to know that which time frame is working good for that particular stock. So this is what time frame I have selected by doing some back testing and by running in the live market for around 8 months. So whenever a call generates in this, it will be a very good call. Maybe you would have seen in channel so many times I have posted free calls and all. So that is why I will be so much confident that this will work. Nothing will happen. Other than any news and all, that time we cannot avoid. That will be a SLIT. So you have to take it. So people will be asking how to do back test and all. So that is a strategy or things where I will let you know when people use the software. Unnecessary why to know the things which people don't want it. Okay. So you can see this. And many times I tell you that you can use your custom time frame. See, what do you mean by custom time frame? See here there is a drop down called here. See here you can use whatever time frame you want. See, daily, hourly, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 15 seconds, one take, 1 second, whatever time frame you use, our algo harmonics will try to generate a call for you. But it will work or not, that you have to do by doing back testing or by live market. So that is why I always say that you can use your custom stocks along with custom time frame. See, whichever time frame you choose, our algo will try to generate a call on that particular time frame. But you have to be sure whether that time frame is working or not by doing a back testing or not. So this is called custom time frame, and if you see here drop down, this is called custom stocks. Here you can select whichever stocks you want. See, TCS, Sun TV, Sun Pharma, whatever you want you can select, and that particular stock in that particular time will work or not, you have to decide by doing back testing. So this is a very simple setup where we will be just selecting a stock and a time frame, and algo will try to generate a call for us. This is called step 2. So let's start with step 3. What is step 3? So let me open my folder where we are seeing server.batch file. Okay, upon that we are able to see one refresh.batch file. So what is this refresh.batch file? This is mainly used to keep our AMI broker active. As you know, we won't be sitting in front of the system whole day. So what will happen, it may go to sleep mode, like how it happens to our Windows. If we don't touch for at least 45 to 1 hour, it will go for a sleep mode. So to avoid this sleep mode, I have written a small piece of code which will keep AMI broker active. So let me show you how it will be active. We have opened this refresh.batch file. Then we will open our AMI broker. Upon that we will just open this and just leave it. See now what is happening over here. You can see currently it is in Siemens 20 minutes tab. After every second it will be keep on changing to the next tab. So now after 30 seconds you can see it will move to Bajaj Auto 20 minutes tab. So you can watch it over live so that you get to know how it is happening. Let us wait for it then. See, it has moved to Hero MotoCorp, which is the last option which we had. Oh, because that was the first tab. So this is the last tab. So that from here it will keep on moving backwards. So this happened automatically. No one is touching, nor I am touching the mouse. No need to you guys sit in front of the laptop. This will keep the session active throughout the day if you are not sitting in front of the system. See, move to star. So this keeps on changing so that it keeps the session active. See, from star it moves to Bharat Coach. So from Bharat Coach next it will move to Kolpal. So it will touch each of the tabs that you have opened. Each of the tab means each of your watch list which is open. So that those many watch lists are active, and whenever a live call comes, it will be sent automatically to the Telegram. So that is the main advantage of this refresh.batch file. If this is not there, then how many stock list or how many watch list you would have put, it won't get refreshed and you will not get any alert. Okay guys, so this is required only when you are away from the system. If you are a full timer and you will be seeing the screen full all the time, then no need of using this. Okay, so this completes our 3 simple steps which I have mentioned. First step, to run our server.batch file, without which we will not be getting our Telegram alert. Second, we will be opening our software which is called as AmiBroker. Okay, then the third step is the refresh.batch file. This will keep your AmiBroker session active. These 3 steps will take hardly 3 to 5 minutes every day, which I do, and I just keep running, and then I go to office. Whenever I get an alert, I do trade. This is the simple setup of our algo, where most of the people were asking to show me demo or how it works, how user friendly. So now you can see this is like a cakewalk for all the people. If no one has computer knowledge also, they can do these 3 simple steps to make money. Okay guys, so that's it from my end. If you have liked our content, then please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also follow me on all social media platforms. Thanks for watching.